Hello guys, my name is Asana and you're watching Cybertech 360, and in this video I will show you how to create a shareware software. We are just going to convert that software into a shareware and we can earn money. In the previous video I have shown you that how to create a software in Notepad in .exe format. If you wanna watch that video, you can click the link in the description below. So I have just make two executable files. The one is registered version. I just had the title registered, nothing else. And in unregistered version, when we open it, it will show a message that you are using unregistered version of 360 Speak It. Get full from the following URL. So it's
Cybertech
unregistered version.
306.
So here an internet shortcut, it will show that by 360 Speak It. So there are two text files that by 360 Speak It at the following URL, and then this one. So you can do this by your own. So then you need setup compiler. You can get it from jrsoftware.org. I will create a new setup script. Then next, micro program 360 Speak It 1.0. Cybertech 360. Your URL here. Next, and the main executable file for your software. I'll create a register version first. So add a folder, register version. Yes. Next, license file. It will show first. So done. Let me check this one, then this one. Next, then next. Custom setup output folder will be this one. Okay, setup name 360 Speak It up. Setup custom icon will be this one. So you have to put a password here when someone download the software, and he or she will see that there's a password. So you have to buy the software, and when she or he buys the software, they will you will give the password to them, and then they can use the software free for lifetime. You can anything, you can yes, finish, yes, you can edit anything. What another process? I think task manager. I think it's open in task manager. So where the hell is man? Compile. Oh, done. So that's the setup. By 360 Speak It from the filing, and then the key needed here. So next, the password is 111-222-333-444-555. Yes, it will show that you have successfully registered 360 Speak It. You can use it for lifetime without limitations. So next, create a desktop shortcut. Next, finish. That's it. So you have made this software as a shareware software. So you can make another setup of the unregistered version and upload it to internet. When someone like the software, they will download the registered version, but the registered version needs a serial key, so they will buy it from you. So you will give them serial key, and then they can apply that in the setup and use it for lifetime profit. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. For more tech videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will meet you in the next video. don't forget to check out my other videos. I make tech videos 3 times a week, so